The agony of frozen shoulder, my experience and what finally brought relief. It was a morning like any other, when I woke up and felt a sharp, agonizing discomfort in my shoulder. Little did I know, this was the beginning of an intense experience with what I later learned to be a frozen shoulder. The pain was so severe, I almost wished to rid myself of the arm entirely. Any minor motion triggered a fiery pang that traveled through my arm, neck, and head, leaving me gasping in distress. Almost instantly, I found myself unable to lift my arm or carry out even the simplest of daily tasks. Washing my hair, dressing, even driving became agonizing endeavors. It was an ordeal that denied me sleep and left me mystified by its sudden onset. This condition, as I found out, is known medically as adhesive capsulitis. It's commonly referred to as frozen shoulder and can often afflict women going through perimenopause. The root cause of frozen shoulder. According to research from Duke University School of Medicine, diminishing levels of estrogen can lead to complications such as inhibited bone growth, inflammation, and connective tissue issues. This might explain the association between perimenopause and the onset of frozen shoulder. The condition causes the lining of the shoulder socket to inflame and thicken, creating a barrier that limits joint movement. It's like the lining of a wall, stopping the shoulder from moving freely. This is a common phenomenon in that age and has been linked to apparently mortality rates in menopausing women. The stage of frozen shoulder. Treating my frozen shoulder. I began with a visit to the doctor, and without even checking my range of movement, they immediately prescribed a steroid injection. Wary of using drugs immediately, I decided to request an MRI to see the extent of damage I was working with. Thankfully, I was referred to physio Carlos Caballilla of the shoulder practice, whose patients include the Arsenal football team, Oscar-winning actors, F1 drivers, and PGA players. After examining my scans, he explained my treatment options. Frozen shoulder is a strange condition that seems to correct itself within 2 years. You can have surgery, but it might be better to manage the pain until it starts to heal. What it really is a phenomenon that takes its time. This is a long, silent, and lasting condition. As you go slowly absorb and reflect on this, allow this tone to expand and settle in. This is how frozen shoulder corrected itself. You can't prevent every frozen shoulder from developing again. You can manage the pain until your body heals. Celebrating your journey through challenges like frozen shoulder is key. Remember, healing takes time, and with the right support and strategies, relief is achievable. Listen, I left a happy relationship to be single at 53.